Life without you been feeling kind of strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell.
Hello, you guys. It's Krissy and Marie back with another video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? What are you doing? Like, subscribe and join the family too. And that's on what? It's on your little lamb. Okay, guys. As you can see in the title down below, we are meant to do a no-part slick back with a skunk stripe. Period. I'm loving this new skunk stripe trend. As y'all can see, mine is red. Alright, so we're gonna get straight into this video. Yep. Okay, y'all. So I'm just gonna take my hair out. Got like little jewels. If y'all see like little flaky flakes flying, we just gonna ignore that. I'm good and tired because we can get cute or whatever. So the products that I am gonna be using in this video is Eco Style, of course, my Touchdown CBD 24K Edge Grow. Yes, sir. The scent is mango, cherry mango, and I'm gonna be using some Eco Style because y'all know that's my go-to for sure. Y'all ever just take out a bun, y'all just go straight in the middle? It's like the middle be the sorest part. But okay, what I'm finna do, it really don't need to be slick back too much. Cause yeah. But what I am gonna do, we're gonna make my skunk stripe bigger, more defined. And y'all, for my skunk stripe, I used, this is non-sponsored, I got this from Beauty Supply Store. It's basically hair wax, and the color is crimson red. So as y'all can see, this is my skunk stripe. We're gonna make it just a little wider. Okay, like it's already there. Part that area. Oh. And let's part it. Now we're gonna go through this back piece. Ugh, it's got itchy. All right, so basically this piece right here is gonna be for the skunk stripe, and that's on what? That's on your lamb. This whole piece right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna separate this piece just because we want to get that out the way. Now for the rest of my hair, I'm just gonna slick it back, slick it down. So I may or may not be talking during this part. So I got my Eco and I've got my Edge Grow. We're gonna use the Eco first, just to kind of like slick it back some more. Alright, so now I'm gonna get some of my 4K Gold Edge Control, and I'm just gonna I'm going to put this in the bun. We're just gonna leave it alone. Let it do its thing for a second. So now I'm going to do this part. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spray it with a little water. I'm gonna take this out. And I'm finna wet the ends of my hair. Alright, so now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna get my hair tied. I pray to God this works, because I don't have a regular hair tie. Because this is what I normally use for my buns. This is a low bun. I just hope my head don't look funny. Because I feel like it does. I low-key wanted it lower. Okay, so what I'm going to do. What we're going to do is we're going to do my edges and let those tie down while I do the rest of my hair. So I kind of want it. I don't know if I'm going to pull those out. Ow, ow, ow. So I'm gonna take out some little junks in the back. So I can do that curl illusion I like to do. Hopefully I don't pull my hair out in the process. Y'all see them curls in there? Don't play with me. Cause don't. Alright, so I'm gonna take some of my edge control. Downward fashion. You already know the vibes. So start with the center first. Tie down my edges, because I just don't know like how this went to do me. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray this with water, like really saturate. Alright, so we're gonna let my edges sit for a little bit. And then I'm gonna come back and show y'all what's up. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. So we're gonna take this off to see how it turned out. Alright, so I'm gonna take it off. And boom. It came out cute. I like it. There we go. It came out cute. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, I don't know. There we go. That's the light we need. We got a little curly curls right there. But y'all, thanks so much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? What are you doing? Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all of that. And that's on What Mary Had a Little Lamb. Stay live and encourage. Always. Love you, K-Babies.
You blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. I miss the way that you look in my eyes, man. I swear I'm getting back with you, girl. Keep on talking about my